Alright peeps, check this out. We're here at Universal City Walk in Orlando, Florida. This is an outdoor shopping promenade and attraction area that they have here in Orlando. I'm gonna bring you guys with us. I just went through the security check area. I started filming, but they said we can't film right by the security, so I had to come through security first. I'm at Universal City Walk right now, and I'm just gonna show you guys around what they have here for attractions, amenities, food spots, and so on. Let's check it out and see what's up. I'm just coming from the parking area right now. Keep in mind that parking is free here once it's after 6 p.m. every day. If you come before 6 p.m., then you will have to pay for parking. This is what it looks like as you walk right in. To my left here, you can see they have a Starbucks, and there's quite a bit of things that they have here. On my right, they have a food court with a Burger King, Panda Express, Moe's Southwest Grill. There's a Red Oven Pizza Bakery here. And here's the Universal Studios store. I'm visiting here at midnight on a Friday. The Universal City Walk is open until 1 a.m. so I have about an hour to go. Most of the spots have already closed, as you can see. We're just gonna do a full walk around the property so you have an idea of what it's like here and what there is to do. This is another entrance to the Universal Studios store. On my left, you can see an outpost of Auntie Anne's pretzels. Pretty good pretzels. On my right is the NBC Brew Sports Bar. This is where Universal Studios Florida is, and the Universal Studios Islands of Adventure theme park. And you can see the Universal globe over here. They do have boat rides here at Universal, similar to Disney Springs. Check it out. Here's the entrance to Universal Studios theme park. You can expect to spend an entire day if you visit these theme parks. We're on the other side now. You can see the NBC Grill Brew Sports Bar over there that we walked past earlier. And we're heading down towards the Hard Rock Cafe here at Universal City Walk. During the day, this is a cool spot to come and visit. I purposely didn't come during the day because it would have been too packed. I have been here in the day before and it's just crazy. There's just so many people. Alright peeps, we are coming up to the Hard Rock Cafe here. Pretty sizable Hard Rock location right here. Check it out, it's huge. Alright, let's head up these stairs because we are gonna bypass the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. It's a legit chocolate factory and they have some really epic shakes that they sell here. If you're feeling for a milkshake, this is the place to come. They also have a ton of chocolates. Any types of chocolate that you're looking for, you can find it here at Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. They do have a full service restaurant as well. You can see the restaurant menu right here. Let's continue to make our way around here. And this section here is the Universal Islands of Adventure theme park, which is a separate theme park from Universal Studios that we passed earlier. And this is where you would pay to get in. So we've almost done a full 360-degree walk off the property. We're coming back around here. You can see we're coming up to Jimmy Buffet's Margaritaville on our right. And we got a good look off the water here and the Hard Rock Cafe and the Chocolate Emporium factory. Check it out. By the Big Fire American Fear restaurant right now. Check out this cool looking water feature here, pretty impressive. And then around here you can see Antojitos, authentic Mexican cuisine. They also have an outpost of my favorite daiquiri spot here in the States, Fat Tuesday. Right behind me here they have a karaoke spot, which is pretty cool. Looks like a bar as well. Right here is a Bob Marley spot, tribute to Freedom, 56 Hope Road, which is the address in Jamaica where Bob Marley lived. And this is the top floor area where we walked past earlier with the food court, so the Panda, the Moles, the BK. It's a pretty cool seating area up here, to be honest, because it looks right down onto everyone exiting and entering the property. We also have an outpost of Bubba Gump Shrimp Company. And down here, I believe, is a movie theater, if I'm not mistaken. Universal Studios CineMark. This is the guest services area, and right beside that is an outpost of Cold Stone Creamery, popular ice cream spot here in the States. much. That's it for a video here at Universal City Walk here in Orlando, Florida. It's a great spot to visit. Free entry after 6 p.m. for parking, so there's no parking payments after 6 p.m. Definitely come and check it out. A great spot here in Orlando to come and check out some amenities, some attractions. You can watch a movie here, grab a bite to eat, grab some drinks, do some karaoke. Keep that in mind if you visit Orlando. This is a great option for you and the kids. Thank you guys for watching as usual. We do appreciate you watching. We'll see you in one of our other videos here in Orlando, Florida. Take care. Peace out.